Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, and in this video we're gonna bake cookies. Start off, we'll wear aprons. And yeah, these are ingredients and I think we just start with it.
I've grabbed the mixing bowl and yep, we just start baking by first putting flour in it.
Yep, and I just grabbed the sugar and pour it in it.
Claire, I think that's salt.
Then we'll need a lot of sugar. Just pour all of it in it. Then we'll add eggs. Okay, there's no cracking.
Okay, let's read this technical difficulty. Okay, done. Now we just add Nutella. Yeah, and we'll mix it.
Okay, we forgot the milk, but we just pour a lot of it in there to fix it. I mean, how can you make a cookie without milk? Okay guys, it turned out great and we are done, so we just use the cookie shaper and put it in the oven for a while. So let's shape it. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna put it in the oven.
Oh my god, my Shayla. My Shayla.
When I look at you, I can't believe it's true. You're all I ever.
Okay guys, we have to make it all over again, so yeah.
Yeah, we made it all over again by in a better version. And yeah, we just put it in the oven, and whilst we wait, we just talk and eat and stuff like that.
Blah, blah, blah.
Blah, 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 blah.
So here, we'll just take the cookies out.
Oh my goodness, it smells amazing.
Let's go to the dining table and eat. Yay! None of us are getting it, so shut.
Oh my goodness, what's happened here? It is such a mess. And what are you fighting over? You guys were just baking some stupid cookies and you make a mess all over the place. Here, let me see. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. I want to try it. That is the best cookie ever. I loved it.
So we are not in trouble, right?
Of course not. You should make a lot more batches.
EP, mission success.
Bye.